might be the ground rather than the ground. It's suddenly biting a bit. I'll shallow up a little bit, alright?
You already see there. It's just the ground.
That might just be the ground game.
It's the ground there.
How's that, James?
I want to get a true measurement now. Half turn shallower.
It looks nice. I know it's probably pulling a bit harder, but if someone said go and plough a field, I don't think that's too bad.
That's better, Chris.
Happy with that?
Yeah, let's go 5.5 to 6.
I'll shallow it slightly.
Slight, very slight.
That's half a turn.
Oh, you're cooking on gas now.
Nice.
That's nice, mate. That's turning over nicely as well.
So we've got to go basically back down the bottom and then back up again, and then we start filling in that square. So I'm coming off this line and I'm filling this in. And we've got to measure it regularly because what we don't want is a triangle. We want to make sure it's nice and straight. You can do it with a surveyor with a big tape measure.
I've got all my tapes in here in the car.
We should have got GPS on this thing. We could have retrofitted it, couldn't we?
You can always blame
GPS?
the other guy.
Who needs GPS when you've got poles?
That's 5.5 to 5 and 3
That'll do for me.
Let's concentrate, Chris, now on this exit.
Because it's a live drive, you've got to basically unless you're on the go, you've got to knock it out of gear to lift it.
Yeah. Make it tidy out.
Oh, Chris, that's fine.
It's messy there, isn't it?
Pretty gas pipe.
Yeah.
It's a bit shallower there, or is that my imagination?
Yeah, you're a bit shallower, Chris. Give it two turns down.
How's that now? Beginning 2.5.
No, back a turn. Back a turn.
down? Shallow.
Shallower. It's okay, Chris.
Happy with that? Turning over a tree, actually.
That is the sweet spot. You've got some sweet spot there, Chris. Half a turn deeper, Chris.
Fine margins, isn't it?
That's why they're constantly adjusting it. Others are constantly adjusting
If you were
it.
professional, you'd have your hand on that the whole time. You never come off.